is used in lifeboats to, it's part of the inflation system of a lifeboat. What's called overmolding also. So we have a customer that machines a very expensive, high precision brass component, and then we take that component and we overmold it with a neoprene rubber compound. This is used in lifeboats to, it's part of the inflation system of a lifeboat. So if these are big lifeboats. If the bond ever fails, that could be somewhat catastrophic. So we're making, for all intents and purposes, zero defects on this part. They were buying this part from another rubber molder. They offered us the mold. We looked at the design and said, absolutely not. We have to make our own, and it's been extremely successful. It happened a few years ago.